Welcome. Let us learn some opposites. The elephant is big, and the mouse is small. Mother giraffe is tall, and her baby is short. The owl in the tree is above, and the caterpillar on the floor is below. The rabbit is fast, and the turtle is slow. A fish is wet, and a snake on the land is dry. The monkey in the tree is high, and the snail on the floor is low. The ant in the tree is up, and the squirrel on the floor is down. The monkey on the rock has a smile, and the monkey on the floor has a frown. Father lion is old, and his son is young. The fox is hot, and the badger is cold. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe on KidzToonz TV.